Can you sell excess electricity to NEPA if you're using solar in Nigeria? Come here, let me explain. You see, outside the country, there is this arrangement that people that use solar in their homes have, where when they are not around or they travel, they can actually sell their excess electricity to the grid. So they can sell it to their discos who distribute it to other people and also earn from it. So some of them, they would earn directly into their bank account, while some others would get it as units. So as you're actually giving electricity to the grid, to NEPA, they would actually be crediting you with units that you can now use to, use NEPA later. That exists outside the country. But in Nigeria, it's actually complicated. Most meters are not actually calibrated for this kind of arrangement, because you need something called a bidirectional or smart meter system in order to be able to make this arrangement possible. But most of the meter systems we have in Nigeria are unidirectional meter systems, which means if you're trying to export electricity to the grid, what ends up happening is that it will be reading it as if you're using that electricity. So you're sending electricity to the grid, but your meter is actually reducing. That's what happens if you try to make this kind of arrangement with the type of meter you have currently. So for now, if your solar actually generates way more electricity than you can consume, the best way you can monetize such is by selling that excess electricity to your neighbor, if you trust your neighbor well enough. Nigeria's Electricity Regulatory Commission, NERC, are proposing something called net billing in order to help people that have home solar setups to be able to sell back to the grid. So they are actually trying to introduce this bidirectional meter system, but it's still in the works, and we can only hope they make provisions on that soon enough. If you want to get your home solar setup installed in any of the 36 states within Nigeria, then you should WhatsApp the number above in order to get the exact type of system you want. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, do me a favor and smash the like button, and also follow or subscribe to this page or channel depending on where you're watching it for, so that you continue to get very valuable and high quality solar related content.